So guys, good morning, good afternoon and very good evening. This is Virendra Moore from Unique Concept Classes, Jaipur. You are the most welcome in this Unique Concept Classes, all of audience and all my dear students. Students, as I have given a number of chapters and their summary and explanation in Hindi and English version. In the series of that, I am going to give you today's CBSE English class 10, chapter number 3, supplementary reader, The Midnight Visitors. The Midnight Visitors by Robert Arthur. So dear students, in this chapter I am telling about the secret agent, about how a secret agent, the life of theirs are eyes, how they spend their life and how cleverness, how clearly he secured himself from an unknown person. So in this chapter there is given a major 4 character. First character of the chapter is Ajibal. Ajibal is a secret agent. Student, secret agent means a person who also who without any notice, a person without any notice who informed from one country to another country about the important document, like the missile document, so many things. As in another word, like ISPA. So Ajibal is as a secret agent, and another secret agent Max, and the author Fowler, and the fourth and the last character of the chapter is Henry, who is a waiter of in a hotel. So story is started. There is some important document is about to come to closer to the Ajibal. Ajibal is sitting, whose room is near the Jamula sweet shop, and beside that there is a hotel, and that his room is very small room. So Ajibal was in his room. At the same time, Arthur wanted to meet Ajibal because he wants to know that how the life of a secret agent. So he was much interested. He was much enthusiasm about finding to the life of a secret agent. So dear students, when Arthur Fowler went closer to Ajibal to know the life, career and the life and the luxury life of Ajibal. So when he found about Ajibal, he saw that room was very small room. He was living as. So Ajibal said to the author that you thought that I am a secret agent, I spend very luxury life, and you consider that there will be many beauties or many girls who will be surrounded of mine, and there will be also a table. On that table it will be wine and many dishes, many table materials. But here is nothing. I am not any secret agent. He said that you are amazed to find me that at the life of mine. He was thinking that at the same time he said that if you like to find out to me as that I am a secret agent and how important document is about to come me. So you can come for next day and I will show it clearly. As he was talking about, as Ajibal was talking to Fowler about every life of his. So at the same moment a man came. At the same moment, while he was talking, he went with Fowler in his room. He opened the door of his room, and when he went inside of the room, he switched off his room and shut the door inside from the room. So dear students, what did he saw? He saw very amazing fact. When he saw there was another man who was hold his gun and pistol, and he also made the sight to the man, and at the time Fowler was amazed to find that what was he watching. When he switched on the light, he found that there was a man named Max. So Ajibal said that, Max, what are you doing here? Why you came here? Max told that, the authority of the management sent me to take the important document that about to come to you, because so you need to give me that important document. Ajibal told that, who sent you? He said that the authority of the management. Max told Ajibal said that, I will call now that the authority of the management was also saying that this is happening within a month, within a week, 2 days. Within a week, 2 days, the authority of the management said 2 person, and what he wants to know, I will call and clear it. So he was talking about that. Then Ajibal said to Max, from where you came from? Max told that I came from the main gate and also took passkey and entered here. So Ajibal told, hey, why did not you come by balcony? He said that there is a balcony and you are not watching there is a window. He said that there is a window and you need to come by there so that nobody can guess you. So Max said to Ajibal that there is balcony and there is a window. He said yes. Sometime I also use of that balcony for going another way. He said that I talked to the owner of the hotel because that balcony goes to the hotel room. I talked many times and he said that after some time I will close that balcony, but he did not also take care of anything. Because of that I said that you need to come from that door. Max said that if I knew then what need to do, what I need to also take the danger in my hand. I wanted to come from that, but I did not know that there is also balcony. So he said that there is a balcony and you are not watching, there is a window, and that window was very common window. In that window there was not any iron is used, only very common window, that was open window. So while he was talking, Max and Ajibal was talking at the time, he heard the sound of knocking the door. Someone was knocking the door, he listened. Max listened and asked that, who is that? Ajibal told that, you don't know, I called police. When Ajibal said that I called the police, he said, why? He told that I thought that there is very important document is coming. So if I will call the police, I will feel safer than ever. So because of that I called, I noted to police. So Max was terrified. He said, you don't open the door. I am saying if you will open the door, I shoot you. So Ajibal said that you need to also go through the window. Max went closer to the window and he also hung one leg to the one side of the window, another is that side. He hanged from the window and he made the sight of the gun or the pistol. Again the sound of the knocking was increasing. Max asking that, why are you not telling me? Why did you call police? If you will not also tell me, if you will open the door, I shoot you and I take the advantage of this. So at the time, Ajibal took every work very confidentially. He said, now you need to jump from the window. Ajibal made the sight and he also held his gun and said that don't open. At the time, Ajibal at last, Max jumped through the window and went downside because he was on the 6th story of the building. So dear students, you know that after jumping from the 6th story of the building, what happened to him? Surely he will not be in this world. So at this time, when he jumped from the window, Ajibal opened the door. Max Fowler was there. Ajibal opened the door and when he opened the door, he found Henry, who was the waiter of the hotel. She came and she said, take your coffee, whatever you ordered. So after watching, Max was surprised that he said to Ajibal, you were saying that you called police, then why not? Ajibal said that I didn't say that I called police. I didn't invite any police. I invited her to carry my coffee. So at the last time of the moment, or that last moment of his story, Ajibal Fowler realized that, of course, that man was the really a secret agent. Whether he was very short man, very fat man, even by appearance he was not looking like that a secret agent, but when he applied his clever trick of his mind, at the last he recognized and he realized that this is a real secret agent, and how clearly, how nicely he secured his life and secured himself, and at last he improved this. So dear students, so that was the chapter, The Midnight Visitor, chapter number 4, chapter number 3 by Robert Arthur. So dear students, I hope that you will get it very well. If you did not get, please, I recommend all the students, you need to expand me. Your teacher is requesting to you, recommending to you. You need to also like, share and subscribe of my channel, so that all those poorest students, many of the students, most of the students are using mobile phone, they can study free of cost. They can also find the advantage of ours, so that it will be more and more beneficial for yours also and me too also. So if you have any doubt, need to also comment to me. I will also handle your personally your comments. Thank you and have a nice day for this live session.